Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
Okay, so as soon as you enter the room here, the bathroom. So I like Fairfield Inns and Suites because I like a kitchenette. And depending on which city you're in, the rooms could be better or not so great. Okay, this one is okay. It's not as good as the other Fairfield Inns that I've been in, but this is the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty small. So you have a toilet here, you have the shower, and it has these kind of cloth curtains, which not a huge fan of. I typically like the glass on the shower. The sink and a mirror is here, and then they have the microwave right next to the sink. So the kitchenette, or whatever they want to call it, is not typical of the Fairfield Inns that I've been in. Here is the small fridge here. You get a closet with an ironing board and some hangers to hang your stuff up on. This room has 2 queen beds. I haven't laid on it to see if it's soft or not, or what it feels like. You get a full-size mirror. And then you have this desk to do work at. If you have to do work while you travel, that should work. Nice size TV here. A place to set your luggage. And then here is the window. Now this is in downtown Seattle. You kind of get a small peek of downtown here, but really most of the view is kind of distorted with the building here. And of course the dusty window. All right, y'all.
It's been sweet. Check us out next week
When we out here
in these streets. Peace.